Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody. So, Ella and I have a project we want to share with you guys. So, I have this Buddha and it's a beautiful decor statue, and I want to change the color. This is what it looks like now. So right now it looks like that, and of course it's beautiful. But I was thinking of changing it to either
I'm gonna put my mask on.
silver or gold. But I'm not sure which one just yet. Ella says I should do gold. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ella, which color do you think we should do?
Pink.
Pink? You love pink. But I think it's between gold and silver.
Silver.
Silver?
Yes.
All right, let's do silver then. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. You ready to go outside? You gonna wear your mask? Yes, wear your mask because we're still in quarantine. All right, it's pretty windy out here, so I hope this works. Because I have painted when it's really windy and the paint like goes all over the place. Oh, you took it off? Yeah, you good? Yeah? Going to start spray painting, and I'm going to cover my face with a mask that a friend of mine made. He's so talented. Thank you so much. Okay, so that went so well and it looks amazing. You like it?
Oh my god.
What do you think, Ella?
Oh my
Gosh, it looks so good.
Did you spray it?
Yeah, and this is the paint that I use. It's a silver metallic, and I always use this brand for a lot of projects, and it works so well, so well. It looks amazing. I'm going to allow it to dry, and then I'm also going to do the bottom of it. Yeah, I'm so excited. What you found? Show me. Oh, it's purple flowers.
I got it.
Yay! Good job. All right. So now it's still drying a little bit, still a little bit sticky, but it looks so good, and I know the perfect spot for it. Also, I decided to not do the bottom because it's like black, so I thought that was cool. So I'm just gonna leave the bottom like that. It looks so nice. I am so happy with the results, and this is going to be the Buddha's new home. And I wanted to put it here because this is usually where I like to film. Okay, so I decided just for the video I am going to use a real candle so I can show you guys the final look, and I'm going to use one of these little tiny ones. And I am going to cleanse the area as well with some sage. The area, I like to do that with everything that I do. Every item that comes into my house, I always cleanse the energy of it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this quick DIY tutorial that I had so much fun doing, and it looks so good and perfect here, and I can't wait to film in this spot now. I can't. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I pray that you're all staying safe, happy, and positive vibes. So till my next video, I'll see you guys next time. Namaste.